Hey everyone! Welcome back to my travel diaries. And for today, we're exploring Isla del Fuego, or more known as the mystical island of Siquijor. To start off, we're packing before the day of our flight.
Tomorrow at 12 a.m.
Then the next day, we took the bus and the taxi all the way to NAIA Terminal 2 airport. Me and my friends decided to take the Cebu to Dumaguete to Siquijor route
to find my Grab.
So I had to spend the day in Cebu, and luckily I found this capsule Airbnb, which is only 5 minutes away from the airport.
Here's our... Parang siyang magiging ganito.
They are bad na straight.
Bye-bye! Love you so much! Bye, vlog! Goodbye!
Later that day, I met with my friends at Cebu South Bus Terminal. We took an air-conditioned bus to Dumaguete, which costed us around 400 pesos, including the fees at the terminal.
Hi vlog! English only please. We're about to embark on a journey that we planned like for around... We! But I said we, it's collective. Uy! Nabiyay mo na.
What's your order?
Order of the court. I order in the court. Hey, meet my pet.
We're riding the bus now.
So when you reach Liloan Santander Port, which is at the southernmost part of Cebu, you will have to pay somewhere around 110 to 150 pesos for the barge fare to Dumaguete. Then from the port of Dumaguete, just ride an ocean jet to Siquijor. The place we stayed at is called Monkey Business. We paid 6,000 pesos for the 4 of us already for 3 days and 2 nights, and we found this very affordable deal at agoda.com.
Hi!
Go.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello! We ordered smoothie bowl, peanut butter, kakay. Bon appetit! Yummy!
Or wag ka na lang sumama.
Nagbigay ka pa.
Pangalawa kasi yan.
We're going out. Sumawa ka na. For the vibes. For the vibes lang.
Yay! I love it! Tapos mayroon pa tayo. Thank you!
Sayang, hindi na videohan.
The following day, we decided to book an island tour for only 1,700 pesos for the 4 of us already. We got help from the ates at the reception area to help us book a tour and keep watching to see the places we went to.
Smile! Si Kuya din yung kahapon, no? Din yung naghatid sa atin sa beach. Si Kuya Roy, oh.
Kuya Roy.
Ah.
Besties.
Ano ito? What's our first stop?
Amphibian tour.
Wala canopy. We're here.
Nagtakbuhan. It's so nice here. Ay, ang galing.
Kare-kare, chop suey, awarma, lechon kawali.
This is ube cheesecake. We're here! How cute! Bibili ni Haven, mga tatlo.
Totoo pa totoo.
Tara! Yeah! So you need to remove your shoes.
We're taking a dip.
Parang hindi naman ito.
As in? Umaano sa'yo.
This is the old Balete.
Balet.
Can you take us to a tour to the old Balete tree?
Tara na. Or Pagila.
We're here. She's dating the gas.
We're going to Cambucay Falls. Leg day.
Bakit magpagulong na lang tayo?
The struggles of an island girl. We're going in. We're going falls jumping.
Takot lang! Tapos na yung bahay. We're now in South Africa. Cape Town.
Wow. So nice. This is Hey. Hey. Here's our food for tonight. Perfect. Saturday. I'll video ko
Last supper.
Dahil pagod na kami,
Okay na lang.
magkakape na lang kami at hindi na kami nalaban.
Anong flavor nga yan?
Oatmeal cookies.
Ang kumot, flip over. At ang damit, pang party.
This is our outfit. Here's our food. Thank you po. Let's go. Thank you so much, Kuya Roy. We will recommend you. Let's go. Fishies, fishies, fishies.
After our Siquijor trip, we spent the rest of the day in Dumaguete as it is also Haven's birthday.
May cake ka.
Yeah, made by my ate and it's successful. Lawyer or doctor, please. Thank you. Or businessman.
We're in Pasadena.
Rar.
Active lifestyle. On to my right, you will see kids playing their sports. And on to our left, you will see people munching on different cuisines. A girl eating papaya with salt and vinegar.
Di ba parang gentle sa bahay?
Dito na lang po. Thank you to my salmon. Winner. Love it. And then I have this.
trying out the famous. Ano daw?
The famous and the original. Silvanas.
Silvanas.
Ang sarap niya, guys. Parang merenda na may ice cream. Highly recommend. Parang gusto ko bumili. I don't know what to buy.
Okay, stop.
Gawin mo niya. Ala, dai.
Around 10 p.m., it was time to go back to Cebu. Then I took the plane back to Manila. And that is the end of our trip. I hope you had fun watching this vlog as much as we did, and I'm sending you love.